The art of wooden creativity in a sustainable world. Wood has always been one of the most beloved materials in the world of design. Its versatility, warmth, and natural appeal make it a favorite for both traditional and modern styles. But today, as sustainability becomes more important than ever, wood has taken on a new role, not just as a material of beauty, but as a medium for creativity that also aligns with eco-conscious values. One of the most exciting trends in the world of wooden art is the rise of abstract designs. These aren't your typical straight-edged furniture pieces or simple wall panels. Abstract wooden creations are imaginative, free-flowing, and deeply artistic. They're pieces that challenge the norms of woodworking and invite us to see wood in a completely new light. But what makes this even more exciting is the growing emphasis on sustainability. Designers and artists are using reclaimed wood, scraps, and other eco-friendly practices to create stunning works of art that are not only beautiful, but also good for the planet. In today's video, we're diving into the world of creative and sustainable abstract wooden ideas. From innovative wall installations to functional pieces of art, we'll explore how wood can be transformed into something truly extraordinary. Whether you're an art lover, an eco-conscious homeowner, or simply someone looking for unique decor inspiration, you're going to love these ideas. Let's get started. 1. Abstract wooden wall sculptures, elevating wall art. Abstract wooden wall sculptures are an incredible way to turn your walls into a canvas of creativity. Unlike traditional paintings or framed prints, these sculptures add depth, texture, and a sense of movement to any space. One popular idea is the use of geometric designs. Imagine a large wall piece made from triangular or hexagonal wooden panels arranged in a dynamic pattern. Each piece is crafted from a different shade or type of wood, creating a striking contrast that catches the eye. These sculptures can be as simple or as complex as you like, ranging from symmetrical arrangements to flowing, asymmetrical forms that mimic natural landscapes. Another innovative approach is to incorporate reclaimed wood into your wall sculptures. Old barnwood, driftwood, or scraps from construction projects can be repurposed to create unique pieces that tell a story. For example, a piece could feature layers of wood arranged to resemble the ripples of water or the rings of a tree. The natural imperfections and weathered textures of reclaimed would add a sense of character and authenticity that's impossible to replicate with new materials. For those who love a modern aesthetic, abstract wooden wall art can also be combined with other materials like metal or glass. A piece might feature wooden elements intertwined with metallic accents, creating a stunning interplay of natural and industrial materials. These sculptures don't just decorate your walls, they transform them into living, breathing works of art that elevate the entire room. 2. Functional abstract wooden furniture, where art meets utility. Who says furniture can't be art? Abstract wooden furniture blurs the line between form and function, offering pieces that are as practical as they are beautiful. Take coffee tables, for instance. An abstract wooden coffee table might feature an irregular, free-form top that mimics the curves of a flowing river, paired with a resin inlay that glows in the dark or resembles water. These tables are both functional and mesmerizing. Or consider a bookshelf with an unconventional design, perhaps one that twists and turns like the branches of a tree, with shelves placed at unexpected angles. These pieces invite you to think of furniture not just as something you use, but as something you admire and interact with. Another idea is abstract wooden seating. Imagine a chair with a frame that curves and flows like a piece of modern sculpture. These chairs may not look like traditional furniture, but they're surprisingly comfortable and make a bold statement in any room. Abstract wooden benches are another great option, often featuring carved patterns or unique shapes that make them feel more like art installations than simple seating. What makes these pieces even more appealing is the use of sustainable practices. Many artists and designers create abstract furniture from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, ensuring that these works of art are also kind to the environment. By choosing abstract wooden furniture, you're not just enhancing your home. You're supporting a movement toward more sustainable and thoughtful design. 3. Wooden light installations. Illuminating creativity. Lighting is an essential part of any interior space, but it's often overlooked as an opportunity for artistic expression. Abstract wooden light installations, however, take lighting to a whole new level. One idea is a pendant light made from thin, curved wooden strips. These strips are carefully arranged to create a swirling, sculptural form that's as beautiful as it is functional. When the light is turned on, it casts intricate patterns of shadows on the walls, transforming the entire room. Another stunning option is a wooden chandelier. Unlike traditional chandeliers made from glass or metal, a wooden chandelier might feature carved or layered wooden elements that radiate warmth and natural beauty. These pieces can range from rustic designs made from reclaimed wood to sleek, modern styles that feel like they belong in an art gallery. For a truly unique approach, consider a wooden floor lamp with an abstract base. The base might be carved to resemble flowing water, twisting vines, or even an abstract geometric form. These lamps don't just provide light, they become the centerpiece of the room, drawing attention and sparking conversation. The beauty of abstract wooden light installations lies in their ability to combine practicality with artistry. They illuminate your space while serving as sculptural masterpieces that reflect your creativity and style. 4. Abstract wooden decor accessories, small details, big impact. Sometimes, it's the small details that make the biggest impact, and abstract wooden decor accessories are a perfect example. These pieces may be smaller in scale, but they pack a big punch when it comes to style and personality. One popular option is wooden bowls or trays with abstract designs. These might feature irregular shapes, carved patterns, or even a combination of wood and resin. They're perfect for holding keys, jewelry, or other small items while adding a touch of artistry to your space. Wooden sculptures are another great choice. Abstract sculptures might feature twisting forms, geometric patterns, or even representations of natural elements like waves or leaves. These pieces are perfect for placing on shelves, mantels, or coffee tables, where they can be admired up close. For those who love greenery, abstract wooden planters are a fantastic option. These planters might feature irregular shapes, carved patterns, or even multi-level designs that allow you to display several plants in one piece. The combination of wood and greenery creates a fresh, organic look that's both modern and timeless. These accessories may be small, but they add a layer of depth and personality to your decor, proving that even the smallest details can be works of art. Conclusion: embracing creativity and sustainability. Abstract wooden designs represent the perfect blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. They challenge us to see wood not just as a material for construction, but as a medium for artistic expression. From wall sculptures to furniture, lighting, and accessories, abstract wooden ideas offer endless possibilities for transforming your home into a space that's uniquely yours. What makes these designs even more special is their commitment to sustainability. By using reclaimed wood, scraps, and eco-friendly practices, artists and designers are proving that creativity doesn't have to come at the expense of the planet. Each piece is a testament to the beauty of nature and the power of human imagination. So, whether you're looking to make a bold statement with a large wooden sculpture or add subtle touches with small decor pieces, abstract wooden designs are the way to go. They're not just decorations, they're stories, memories, and inspirations carved into wood. And in a world that's becoming increasingly fast-paced and disposable, these pieces remind us to slow down, appreciate craftsmanship, and connect with the natural world. By choosing abstract wooden art, you're not just decorating your home. You're making a statement about who you are and what you value. So, embrace the creativity, celebrate the sustainability, and let your home be a reflection of your unique style and love for timeless artistry.